Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. June 8, 2025, Sunday Racing. Ngayong araw ng linggo ay meron tayong 10 races, 10 exciting na mga races. Ferrocom Rating Based Handicap System Race at ito na ang pinakadulo, pinakahuli o last day ng Summer Racing Festival No Bearing Races, No Effect, June 8. Happy Family Day sa inyong lahat. Ngayong araw din ng linggo gaganapin ang 2025 Ferrocom second leg Triple Crown Stake Race. Ganon din ang second leg Hopeful Stakes Race at ang second leg 3-year-old locally bred stakes race. Ngayong araw ng linggo, ang race 1 ay first pick 6 covers races 1 to 6. Umpisahan po natin ang ating mga cool choices. 2-horse battle ang race number 1 sa akin pong tansya at nakikita. First choice number 1, Anytime, Anywhere, coupled entry 1A, Tis the Moon. Second choice, number 3, Morally. Race 2. First winner take all covers races 2 to 8. 1,800 meter. Ito po yung 2025 Ferrocom second leg 3-year-old locally bred stake race. First choice, number 4, Orion Express with Jackie M.A. Alvarez. Second choice, number 9, Tasha will be skipper by C.S. Pare Jr. Third choice, number 6, El Haleo, Pati R. Delema on top. Race 3. First pick 5 covers races 3 to 7. 1,800 meter distance then. Second leg ng Hopeful Stakes Race. First choice number 6, Flaming June. Second choice number 4, Elena Bell. Third choice number 1, Easy Money. Ako tayo sa race number 4, second winner take all. Covers races 4 to 10. 1,600 meter distance. First choice number 7, Sherbet Fountain. Second choice, dating undefeated at unbeatable. Pero nakaraan natalo na, pero isang talo pa lang sa maraming magagandang panalo. Second choice number 1, Andiamo Aperinse. Race 5. Second pick 6 cover races 5 to 10. Yung nga palang race 2 at race 3 ay parehong merong pentapekta event. Race 5 meron din pentapekta event, another 1,800 meter run. At ito na po ang 2025 Ferrocom second leg Triple Crown Stakes Race. First choice number 11, Transform. Second choice number 9, Parade King. Third choice number 4, Kunstatic Offer. Race 6, second pick 5 covers races 6 to 10. First choice number 7, Elegant Lady. Second choice number 1, Heavyweight. Third choice number 9, Go, Aidan Go. Race 7, pick 4 covers races 7 to 10. Puro, hindi pala, no? Merong nasaling local. Pero halos puro imported horses. First choice natin, number 6, Redeemer. JPA Goose on top. Second choice, number 3, Crusading with Jackie J.A. Goose. Ngayong race 8, meron ding Super 6. Dito sa race 8, first choice natin, number 14, Malabon King. Second choice, number 10, Potential. Race 9, merong Pentapecta event. Ito na po yung penultimate race. First choice, number 7, Border Force. Second choice, number 5, Gamer Winner. Last race, race 10, Paratingan. Race na may Super 6. First choice, number 10, Basket of Gold. Second choice, number 6, Brown Pirate. Third choice, number 4, Mang Nano. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!